Welcome to my channel. If you're new, my name is Nicole. If you're old, welcome back. And yes, I've been gone a hot minute because I was exhausted from last week and then ended up very badly sunburnt, and now it's kind of faded. It's just on my arms and now they're starting to peel, which is gross, but sunburn. Today I got my Boxycharm in, and look at this little box. It's like barely wide enough for like a flat iron. I don't know. Nope. And yay. Okay, so the theme this month is to make waves. Of course, everything's listed on the back with a price. So let's pull out the first thing we have here is the Glam Glow Gentle Bubble Daily Conditioning Cleanser. Amino Acid Condition Deep Cleanse Face Makeup Removal. Okay, it says gentle, but make it bubbly. This daily conditioning gel cleanser gently but effectively cleanses skin and dissolves makeup. Oat amino acids condition, while the vegan formula with apple extract, vitamin E, and green tea extract bubbles up to deep clean and remove impurities. Soap, fragrance, and SLES free. All skin types approved. I'm excited about this. I wasn't knowing what to think because Glam Glow is okay. I mean, yeah, I'm not super hyped about them, and they're not like known for their ingredients. Like, I watch Shan Love's reviews. They're not the greatest ingredients in their masks and stuff. But oat, I love oat. One of my favorite sheet masks has oat in it. It's from St. Ives, and it's an oatmeal mask. Like, it's a sheet mask, but it's so good at moisturizing your skin and stuff. I don't know. It's just good and draws out impurities and all that stuff. So I really recommend that mask. So I'm intrigued by that. Love that it's vegan, thank God. Apple extract. Yes, I love apple. Juice Beauty has turned me on to apple extracts more. Vitamin E, of course, is always good. And green tea is always good for removing clogged pores and stuff. Ooh, so pretty and hollow. It's not, it's open, it's like white. I'm not noticing the smell, so that's cool. Next thing in here is an eye luster cream eyeshadow from Ciate London, and this says your new Ciate's London eye luster will help you create long-lasting shimmering eyeshadow looks. The metallic glittering liquid eyeshadow can be swiped on for full coverage luster, blended out for sheer sparkle, or applied over any eyeshadow as a topper. This is MSRP $22. Let's look at the ingredients, shall we? Ooh, can I see the ingredients? I can barely make that out and focus on it because my contacts are so strong. It's sometimes hard for me to focus on little print up close, and that's what this one's doing. But right there, that last ingredient is carmine. So yeah, I had a feeling a lot of Ciate stuff like that has carmine in their eye products. Oh, that's breaking my heart. Look how gorgeous that is. It's like unicorn hollow. Look at that. Well, I'm out on you. Poopy da doopy doo. Next up is Dose of Colors Chalk is Chic. I'm not going to swipe this. I have a lot of Dose of Colors lipsticks. I have a lot. I'm not disappointed that this is in the box. I mean, there's like, of the shades they showed, I have at least half of them, if not more. The ones I don't really have are more the nudes. I have like I have darker nudes, and then the orangey nudes, and like orange and red, and maybe pink, and the berries I have. So I have most of the red, so I'm unsure about Talkie Chic. I'd have to look. I swear I have at least 12 of them. This is Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipsticks. Your new Dose of Colors Liquid Matte Lipstick has a velvety, high fashion matte finish which envelopes lips in rich, long wearing color. It applies as a creamy lipstick, but after a few minutes it dries to an ultra comfortable matte finish. It's $18. Now, the thing is, all their liquid lipsticks are the ones I have are vegan. Now, their eyeshadow palettes are not, but their lipsticks are. So, it's a very pretty color. I think I have this one, though, because, like, they went to $10 off during Ulta's 21 Days of Beauty not this last time before, and I bought like a bunch. I mean, it's a really good formula. It's in my top 5. So yeah, those are really good actually. Second in here is this. It's from Mellow. It is a brow define. Why? I tell y'all all the time, quit sending me brow pencils. This is the non-greasy Easy Glide formula in your new Mellow Cosmetics Brow Definer Brow Pencil is about to revolutionize your brow game. The triangular tip. Oh, I hate triangular tips. Make for easy hairline strokes and long-lasting formula. Ensures your brows won't budge. They sent me chocolate, which could actually maybe work a little bit because at least it's a deep dark brown, but unless it's ashy enough for me, I don't know. It might work. I really don't know. I don't really want to open it either. I have a feeling that won't. Okay. Wait, we're gonna go over this again. Nicole, where's Ebony in Anastasia, which is their second to deepest color? I could probably get away with Granite if I really wanted to. Okay. But you see that it's like a soft, natural black, okay? It's soft, it's natural. A little ashy. A little warm undertone, just a pinch, but it's a soft, natural black. I don't know about chocolate. That one's probably actually, I'm the least mad about this one because at least they're kind of close with this, okay? They're probably really close to that, actually. But I don't like triangular tips, so I'm just going to put on that for whatever reason. Next thing is from Alamar, which if you haven't been following Boxy for forever, the founder of this company was Gabby. And she used to be in charge of all the social media and all the makeup looks. She still does the makeup looks at Boxy a lot for their campaigns. And so she started it with her eyeshadow palette, which she was still with Boxy, and then she released it in Boxy. And everybody loves that palette, but of course I can't use it because it has carmine. But anyway, this is, oh, and that brow pencil's $18, whatever. This is the Alamar Colorette Blush Trio. Get your blush on with the new Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Blush Trio, formulated to glide effortlessly over your cheeks. This buttery, smooth, highly pigmented, and completely vegan, finally, formula delivers a sun-kissed flush without the damage of the rays. MSRP $22. Everybody loves her eyeshadow palettes, and she released the second one. I just can't use it, but hey, begin. As a mirror. And look at the size of these blushes. Oh my gosh, look how pretty they are. Y'all know I'm a blush whore. Hashtag blush whore, ho, whatever. Look how pretty they are. I love that little dippy. Hey, ooh. And they got like, I'm like with this. I don't know if that peach will really show, but you know, swatches aren't everything. It's like when you get on the brush, like how it applies, and that peach could show up. You never know. So I'm excited to actually put this in the bathroom and start trying it out tomorrow, maybe. I've been using the Anastasia blush trios, which you have to be very, very light-handed with. So overall, you know, Boxy's $21 a month. I am cool with this box. This box is actually pretty dang good. I wish the eye gloss stuff, eye topper, whatever glittery prettiness was carmine free, but it's not. I wish I'd gotten a color I know I don't have. I'm pretty sure I have this one, but that's okay. This color is beautiful, and yeah, I'll pass it along if nothing else. Blush, yes, blush. Vegan blush, yes. Love, 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 love. At least they tried getting closer to my eyebrow color. I mean, that's actually probably really close. If I like triangular tips, I don't like triangular tips really. But in an emergency, I might keep it. I don't know. Unless somebody with really, really dark brows use pencil. Let me know. And this I'm excited to try with. My skin likes apple. My skin loves green tea. Apple's pretty up there. It's like the fifth or sixth ingredient, and oat's like right behind it. Yeah, so it's like green tea's almost in the middle, and then everything's above that. So that's actually really high up for an ingredient. I would have loved to get the coconut moisturizer from First Aid Beauty, but that is fine. I have enough moisturizers. I actually do, and I'll probably get one in Boxy Luxe Lord knows. So I'm excited for this.
Anyway, so thank you for watching. Like and subscribe. Toodles.